Hi, this is Scott. This is a quick tutorial on how to set up your Godaddy email on your iPad or iPhone. The first thing you want to do is go to the section of the home screen where it displays the settings. Go ahead and click on the settings now. Once you get into the settings menu, you'll scroll down and search for the mail section. It'll actually say mail, contacts, and calendars. This is where you're going to select so that you can go into the setup screen. When you get into this area at the bottom, you're going to see one that says Add Account. You're going to select Add Account. This will take you to another menu. At the bottom, you're going to want to select Other. Once you get into this menu at the top, it'll say Mail, and under that it says Add Mail Account. Select this button. From this area, you're going to start filling in all the critical information: your name, your correct email address, the password, and the description. Fill out as I have above, obviously using your email address and password. Confirm that you have the correct information for both. When you're finished, hit Next. The next menu is going to show IMAP and POP at the top. In this case, we're going to set up a POP account. To set up a POP account, make sure you select POP at the top and it highlights in blue, and start filling out the fields below. These steps are critical. You're now going to set up the mail servers. First, you'll set up the incoming mail server at pop.secureserver.net. Use the full email address as the username and your password. Now you'll go ahead and set up the outgoing mail server, smtpout.secureserver.net, and again use your email address and your password for username and password. Once you've finished that, go ahead and hit Save, and that'll take you on to the next screen. Apple will go through this really annoying verifying process, which takes forever. Be patient. When it's done, we have a few more steps to make this work. Once it's finished, it should show up a screen like this, where at the bottom it'll show outgoing mail server, incoming mail server, and advanced at the bottom. We're going to select the advanced button at the bottom, and what we want to do is turn off SSL, and we're going to change the server port. So as you see in the screen above, SSL is checked off, and then where it says server port 995, we're going to switch that to 110. Make sure you do this, and once you're done, you're going to hit the next button. Once that's completed, we want to go to the SMTP settings. Go ahead and select the primary server. Once you select that primary server, you're going to see some of the settings you already set. We're going to turn off SSL, and we're going to change the server port from 465 to 80. Let's make sure we get that clear. SSL off, and the server port to 80 as the screen is above. If you don't do this, you won't be able to send. Once you go through this, you're going to go through one more verifying process, and this should activate the email account. Your account should now be active. You should see an email in the inbox. You want to go now and send an email. Make sure that the sending function works. If for some reason it doesn't, go back into the SMTP settings, make sure they're correct, and make sure the port's correct, SSL turned off, and you should be good. Thank you, and I look forward to the next video helping you how to set this up and